Hey there, welcome to Amanda's Kitchen again. Let's make a simple vegetarian pasta dish. You'll love it, I promise. You know, sometimes it's really hard to make a tasty meal that has all the right requirements for a balanced meal. And I do believe I've done it. The pumpkin that I used was some that I froze in advance. I steamed and then froze in advance. And I think that that's a really awesome home economics trick, rather than buying a bag of frozen pumpkin, or also trying to keep fresh pumpkin, because I think we know these days that the grocers and stuff like to service some that's a little bit less fresh than we'd perhaps like. Anyway, on with my dinner.